Hey guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I am so excited. I say this all the time, but this time I'm really excited. I have a brand new subscription box to bring to you guys, and that is this guy. Oops, sorry. You okay? This guy right here. And I'm not quite sure how to say this, but Lunarly? Lunarly? Do you want to see what this moon box is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is my Lunarly, and I'm not quite sure if this is for May or June because they do it at the moons. So when that moon is, I guess they ship like 2 days beforehand. So I'm not sure if they consider this May, which today's the last day of May, or if this is going to be June. But this is I believe it's the strawberry moon box, and there's a house plant in here, and there's supposed to be like a crystal in here and a few other goodies. So I'm so excited because not only do you guys know I'm loving me some crystals, but there's a house plant in here, and that is amazing. So this one, I think I'm not quite sure if I did 3 months or I did 6 months. So you will see a few of these on my channel for sure. So what is in the box every month is each month in your Lunarly, you'll find either a house plant potted with intentions by the good souls at Bloomscape, or a hand poured natural candle with a scent themed to the new moon. You'll also find an assortment of beautiful new treasures for yourself or your space. From curated wellness items to intention setting tools, we've got your back when it comes to the art of self-care. Now, this is $40 a month with free shipping. If you do 3 months, you get a $10 discount with free shipping as well. So it would make it down to $110 for 3 months. Now, included in your first month's box. So if you purchase, your very first month will come with this, and every other month will not. But included in your first box, which I should have, is the New Moon, New Me collection. This kit includes everything you need for intention setting with instructions, writing prompts, stickers, and a beautiful new journal. Used together, mindful with each Lunarly cycle, these items will help you manifest the growth you're searching for. So this just totally sounds amazing. I wonder if I sat there and counted how many times I said the word amazing. So I know the plant is supposed to be at the bottom. So let me go ahead and I forgot to get this open because this poor plant has been in here. So let's see here. One side. Okay. So let's see. Look at that, you guys. Meet my new house plant. Oh, you are so beautiful. Let's get you out of here. And this is my very first box, so I'm not quite sure what to expect. I am making a little bit of a mess, but it's a house plant. And this must be the New Moon packet. Yes, the New Moon, New Me. So this is the one that you get for your very first box. So I will go through that in just a second. Let me get this other box out of here because it sits with your plant on top of that other box. And I do see some potting soil. So let me try to get this box out of here with not taking the mess with me. Okay. Yes, there is a mess in there, but like I said, I'll clean everything up at the very end. Whew. Okay. Alrighty. I don't know if there is a box in here or a card in here, but this is what the box inside looks like, and that is very pretty. I like that. And there's, Strawberry Moon, it says back there. It has the strawberry And it says Strawberry New Moon, June 3rd, 2019. And again, they always ship their box. I believe their website says 2 days before the new moon. So that would be a little bit more because today's the 31st and I already received it. But either way, I'm so glad to get my first box. June's moon earns the name for its ripening fields of wild strawberries harvested by hand by members of the Algonquin, I'm not sure, tribe. Take a moment of self-care to enjoy life's sweetness. An intention to inspire. My inner self reveals in its honesty of my introspection. I am true to myself and to those I love. Lunarly. That is really cool that they put this card in here so then you can save these cards for the moons that you get. That is really cool. So let's see, do they have an actual product card? Yes. They have an actual product card and there's other items in there, but I really want to know about this plant and I want to open this plant because right now it's just sitting like this, dropping dirt. So Strawberry Moon, so they do have a card. So let's kind of figure out light requirements, water requirements, humidity preference. So this must be the plant. The plant must be a purple waffle, and I do not know how to say the top part, but that is that, and it gives you instructions on how to care for it. So that is awesome. Let's get it out of this container. Okay, so I totally had to clean that up. My OCD would not allow all that soil to just sit in front of me. But this is the plant, you guys. It's in a, I would say probably, this is not a 6-inch pot. I would say this is like a 4-inch pot. But look how cute. Isn't she pretty? I'm gonna have to come up with a name. My first house plant like this. And I hope I don't kill you. I hope not. I hope you're hardy. Does it say, are you a hardy plant? Your purple waffle plant prefers bright indirect light, but no direct sun because the foliage will bleach out and sunburn. Wow. Okay, so I know a perfect spot for you. In less light, it may lose some of the rich purple coloring. Okay, so temperatures 55 to 80 degrees. Plant food, additional care, humidity. The plant loves to be misted, so feel free to do this daily, especially in the winter when it's airy, when the air is very dry. Not only does moistening provide humidity, but it also keeps pests away. Huh, I didn't know that. We have enough humidity here, but I will definitely spray it. I have another plant that I do spray, so when I spray that, I'll spray this one. But look how pretty, you guys. That is so pretty. Okay, so we have a gorgeous house plant, and I like that it comes in an actual pot. So it's not something that now I need to go and find. It has the moss in there, so the soil is protected. This is just like you went to an actual store and bought it. It comes in the container with the moss and everything. It is perfect just to set right out. There's a little moss tangled up in the leaves here. But it's just ready to go wherever you're gonna put it. You don't have to do anything but water it. I love that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's go ahead and go in with what is in this month, and then we'll go through this guy right here. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and get into the box. So on the card, it says under Strawberry Moon, under Restore, there's Restore, Keep, and Care. There's like 3 different sections. So the top one that says Restore, it says a little bit of crystals, Self-Goddess Smudge Spray, Self-Goddess Sage and Rosemary Smudge Spray. So these 2 items right here is what it is going to talk about. So under description, it says little bit of crystals right here. This tiny book holds a tremendous amount of information, a great foundational guide for beginners. It's also a handy reference tool for even the most seasoned seasonal connoisseur. The Smudge Spray right here. that is crafted with beautiful energy and intention by the makers of Self Goddess. This amethyst infused smudge spray contains organic sage, rosemary, and clary sage therapeutic grade essential oils. And okay, so yeah, I do see the amethyst down there. Let's see if you can. Right, hold on, right there. There we go. You can see them moving right there. So there looks like there's 2 little amethysts in there, which that is really cute. Crystal infused, 2 ounces, made with love and light. Now it says, instructions, little bit of crystals. Make this book part of your self-care journey as you learn and explore more ways to connect with your inner being. The Smudge Spray. This spray is a safe and thoughtful alternative to the burning ritual. Simply pump the mist into the air and create a blank state for reflection before setting your intentions. So that is awesome. I gotta smell this though. Ooh, that smells so nice. Oh, it smells really nice. Okay, so there's that. And this book here, on the back of it, it does say US, which would be $9.95. So I'm not quite sure, but it is so it is a little book, but I guess it gives you a lot of information. There is an index in the back, and it says an introduction to crystal healing. So I can't wait to start reading that. And that is such a pretty, look at that. The font is all iridescent and shiny. The shimmer. That is pretty. So there's the book and there's that. So now let's see under Keep, which says Moonstone. Let's see. Oh, and on the very bottom, look, it's a bottom. They even give you the bottom. Okay, I love this box, you guys. Okay, so Moonstone, it's gotta be in here. Description, once thought to be made of solid moonbeams. The moonstone is thought to encourage personal insight to those who keep it near. Utilize that power and kick contemplation into high gear with this beautiful milky gem. So here's the side. Hold on. So that is what that looks like. Instructions. Try this meditation with your moonstone in hand. With each inhale, imagine breathing in its potential self-love vibrations. And with each exhale, breathe out that self-doubt. When you're ready, return to normal breath. Ah, that's awesome. So it comes with this moonstone, and it comes in this little bag, which is like a velvet pouch. Now, care. Self-care. Whole Foods Market air wrapping green tea mask. Ooh, you know I love me some masks. Air wrapping mask, moisturizing green tea. Help restore skin's moisture and leave it feeling soft and refreshed. That's from Whole Foods Market. And it's a normal face mask. Relax for 15 minutes, pat in the essence, and you're good to go. So that is everything that came in this month's box. Again, we have the face mask for self-care. We have the moonstone for restore. You have the book and the smudge spray, tomato. And then you have this gorgeous plant, and it feels moist. Like, this is very well taken care of. It did not come dried out, and they even gave you the base for it. So that is awesome. So let's go ahead and see what would be in your first subscription month. So you get this. Let's see what the New Moon, New Me collection is. And it comes with my intention. So this is like a plant marker. So you can write your intentions and stick it in that plant. And then you have a very beautiful plant marker as well. That is really cool. So you can put that in your plant for this moon. That's awesome. So on the back of this card, it says, intentions are values we seek to embody every day. We promise to let our hearts and minds be the navigation to find whatever it may be within us. We set intentions using lunar cycles, guiding us to manifest the absolute best versions of ourselves. Ready to set your intention, and it gives you instructions on how to set your intention. So that is really cool. And then here are the stickers that it talked about. Rooting for you, new moon, new me, I'm happy when life would suck without you, like a cactus. So those are really cute. So here are the one sheet of stickers. Here is a second set of stickers. So I guess you can use these for when you journal. And then these must be the moons, 3, 6, 9, 10, and 12. Because yeah, this is a strawberry moon, and I think it says the next moon is something that looked just like that. So these are the different new moons. So that is really cool. So you have that. Oh, and then this is the journal, and it has the moon, and then it continues with some stars in the back. Look at how pretty. And then it's just an all white, your own journal to doodle whatever you want, and you can use these stickers to help make an awesome journal, and that is cool. So this all came complimentary on my first subscription. And I love how it gave you this card. That would be cool if it did one of these like every month. So every month that you got a new plant, you can put a new one of these in. That would be cool, but at least they gave you this one. So I think that is awesome. And then they give you this card right here. So that is everything that came in this box. Again, what we got for your first box, what we got for this moon. Comment down below, you guys, let me know, how did you like this? This was one that I was telling you guys that was coming, and it has something to do with crystals because they do give you one crystal, and it's all about setting new vibes and just appreciating things. And I love this box. I really love this box. I love that it gives you an actual plant. It comes in a container ready to go. It gives you these other things, and it gives you like a little guide on why they gave it to you and what to do with it. So I actually really like this. And again, I don't remember if I did 3 or 6 months, but I did one of them. So I can't wait until the next moon so we can see what we get. So again, comment down below, let me know, did you like this? Are you glad I brought this on my channel? Are you glad I found this to bring to you guys? I haven't really seen a whole lot of this company, so I'm really glad that I jumped on board and I'm bringing this to you guys to show you. And I'm glad to now put a beautiful houseplant in my house tonight and watch this thing grow. If you have any ideas for what I should name her, let me know. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would greatly appreciate it. And until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.